Welcome, sports fans. DocSports.com on this Saturday, August 16th. I'm your host, Mike Davis. Stick around. I have a free selection coming up for you in just a moment. Free winner was a winner last night as we had the Phillies behind Cole Hamels out there in San Fran. And it wasn't quite the game I expected. I was expecting a 3-1 game, something like that. It ended up 5-3 in extra innings for Philadelphia. We'll take it. We'll take the winner. Another winner last night is my 5-unit American League Game of the Week came through as we had Kansas City over Minnesota, and KC held on to win 6-5 in that one. This is the day I've been waiting for, folks. Each and every year, when you release your Game of the Year, it's just something that, I'm excited about. I do a lot of studying. I do a lot of preparation for days just like this. Huge 8-unit Major League Baseball Game of the Year going tonight. Take advantage of it on the Purchase Picks page at DocSports.com. You'll be glad you did. I put a lot of time and effort into all of our picks, but this is a pick I've really been waiting for and waiting on the right opportunity, and I have found it. Huge 8-unit Major League Baseball Game of the Year goes today, Saturday, August 16th. Let me get to your free selection. Let's see, I'm going back to that Phillies-Giants game. I'm going to give you the Giants this time, and I'm going to give it to you -1.5. Let me pull it up here real quick. I like Hudson on the mound versus Kyle Kendrick. Kendrick has not fared well on the road. He has a 5.57 ERA in his road starts, and he has a 5.00 ERA in his last 3 starts, including last time out he faced the Mets, and he gave up 10 hits and 5 earned runs in just 5 innings pitched. So I like San Fran to break out tonight. -1.5 with Hudson on the mound over Kendrick and the Phillies. Don't forget, folks, huge 8-unit play, Major League Baseball, Game of the Year, the biggest play I'll release all year, goes tonight, Saturday, August 16th. Take advantage of it. DocSports.com on the Purchase Picks page. Everybody have a great and proud